Hi, I'm Janice Holly Booth, founder of the KIT programs. And if you're a business owner or you manage teams, you've got problems. Why? Because you've got people. And the people problems always stem from one issue: poor communication. And that's where the KIT can help. People are your greatest assets, and that's why you should invest in them. Now, what if I told you that I could save you $76,000 in 1 year, increase employee engagement, reduce turnover, improve morale, and beef up your bottom line? Well, I know what you'd say. Who is this sorceress making all these magical promises? Well, it's not magic, it's math, and it's already been done for you. Check out these numbers. You may want to sit down. The cost to American companies in 1 year from employee turnover, a lack of engagement, and poor communication is $450 billion. Yes, I said billions with a B. The cost per year of poor communication to one company, $142,000. $223 billion with a B is the cost of turnover due to workplace culture over the last 5 years. That means people leaving a company because they can't stand where they're working. And that $76,000 I said I could save you, that's saving you $44,000 to replace one employee and eliminating the $32,000 that one disengaged employee sucks from your bottom line. Only about 30% of employees are coming to work engaged in the work that they're doing. Just 30%. That means the majority of the workforce is coming to work, putting in maybe half of their effort, but taking home 100% of their paycheck. I don't like that. I didn't like it when I was running companies, and I don't like it for you. So how do we fix it? The KIT is different than all of the other personality inventories and strength finders out there, and I should know because I've used them all. They're great tools, but they didn't take me far enough in solving the people problems that were interfering with business. Now I'll let you go to the website to learn more about the KIT. I created the KIT because I needed to get people on board and aligned with the mission and goals of the company. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. I've got all the tools in the toolkit. All those days you feel like you're a firefighter putting out fires, well, guess what? Those days can be over for you, where you can spend all of your energy creating ideas, creating strategy, doing what you were really hired to do, which is move the needle. I can help you with that. I look forward to hearing from you. Visit me at theteambuildingkit.com.